How to add Nightbot on YouTube. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for nightbot.tv. That's the official website of Nightbot. So after coming here, you just have to click on add to chat and click on select a provider to sign in with. You have to select YouTube for that, and after selecting the YouTube, you have to log in that your channel is being created with the email, and this is the email I have created my channel with. So now you have to click on connect and you have to select all, like check all the permission and click on continue, and after that you will be redirected to the dashboard. So from here as you can see, this is the Nightbot dashboard, and you can go to the command section from here and click on new command and give a new command to the chatbot. Like if you write the command name as YouTube and set the response as hello, and you can also set the required user level to owner, moderator, regular channel member, or everyone. And after that we can just click on create and get back again on the dashboard and click on join channel from here. And now you have to click on the community settings from here and copy the link to the user management settings. As you can see, the managing moderators, you just have to paste this link. So by going to community settings, you just have to go to the user management from here and click on managing moderators and give the link here and click on save. And now whenever you are on a live or streaming, you can just go to your Nightbot or just say this command. As you can see, I've just created that this YouTube, and it will reply as the message as hello. So you can just click on new command and create many more commands like this one. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.